In light of everything that's going on at the moment, I've been asked a few times about video conferencing solutions. So I'm going to demonstrate the software that I use and explain why I use it. The one I tend to prefer these days is a platform called Zoom, and one of the main reasons, apart from the fact that it's actually really good, is the pricing works well. The free version allows you to host up to 100 people in a meeting, have unlimited one-to-one meetings. The only real caveat there is meetings are limited to 40 minutes, but in most cases, this isn't going to be a problem. So on the Zoom website, you sign up, you download the program, which works on Windows, Mac, and tablets too, so it's covered on most platforms. And once you have it downloaded, I'll show you how you create a call. So I'm going to open Zoom here. It allows me to join, schedule, do screen sharing, stuff like that, but we're going to keep it simple at the moment. So I'm going to start a new meeting, and there's me. And what I need to do now is invite my participants. So I'm going to click down here and flick over to email. Now, it will send emails for you. So for example, if I click on default email, it should open Outlook. There we go. And it already fills in all the details. Now, just to speed things up a little bit, I'm not going to use the email because it takes a few minutes for it to send across. I'm just going to put these details here into another window. So let me just move that out of the way so I can still see it. And get rid of that. Now, what you should see kind of up here is the other screen that I'm using, so you can see both ends of this. So over on the other screen, I'm going to, again, go to zoom.us. I'm going to join a meeting, and I'm going to pop in those details. So it is 478206962. I'm going to click join. And now this will automatically run the Zoom program. If you haven't already got it installed, it'll tell you to do it. If not, it's just going to open it up for me. And then once this opens up, I must have typed that in wrong. Let's try that again. So let's join a meeting. 478206962. And click join. Open Zoom. And there we go. It's got it this time. So now it's asking for the password, which again is in the email 303418. And join meeting. So it's asking me if I want to join with video or without video. I'm going to join with video because you can't have enough of me. There you go. So now just mute that. There we go. Right. So there you have it. Two calls going on, two versions of me having a video call. And you can just add more and more people. You can have 100 people in the call. And what will happen is as each person speaks, it will switch. They will be on the full screen and you will disappear up to the top. But it works really, really well. And it's definitely worth having a go. Once you're done, all you need to do is end the meeting and end it for all. Hope that helps. Again, that's zoom.us. Give it a go. By all means, give me a call on it and we'll have a little practice. Hopefully that's going to help a few people. Okay, speak to you soon.